Hi everyone. Welcome to Magical Trading Strategy. In this video, I'm going to show you one of the best 1-minute scalping strategies I have ever tested. This strategy is specific to Magical Trading Strategy channel, and you will not find it on any other channel. This modified RSI will double your account balance in 2 days. Now let's begin. First of all, let me show the type of indicators I'm using for this strategy. This strategy is very simple. I'm only using 3 indicators. First indicator is a 50 exponential moving average. I use this moving average to identify the trend. Second indicator is a modified version of the well-known relative strength indicator, Laguerre RSI, created by Everget. The Laguerre RSI reduces noise and minimizes lag, resulting in a more responsive technical indicator. And finally, I added this ATR stop loss indicator to find stop loss. Before getting into the strategy rules, subscribe and turn on notification because more incredible content is on the way. We received the first confirmation when the LRSI line crosses the 0.2 line from bottom to top, and second confirmation is LRSI line crosses alpha line from bottom to top, and final confirmation is candlestick close above 50 EMA line. You can set stop loss from ATR stop loss indicator before you enter the trade. And for take profit and exit strategies, I recommend 1.5 risks to reward. Sell rules are the opposite of buy rules. We received the first confirmation here, when the LRSI line crosses the 0.8 line downward, and second confirmation is LRSI line crosses alpha line, downward, and finally candlestick should be below the 50 EMA line, and again you can set stop loss from ATR stop loss indicator before you enter the trade. And for take profit and exit strategies, I recommend 1.5 risks to reward. I'm going to test this strategy 2 days on the Bitcoin 1-minute chart. I will take every trade I can get from the chart and see how this strategy has performed in the past. Thank you for watching Magical Trading Strategy, and be sure to subscribe and turn on notification, because more incredible content is on the way. See you, take care.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off.